What's good with y'all boys, man? You know what I'm saying? It's your boy GRIFFOBLEEDEM, you know what I'm saying? Off the rip, I just want y'all to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I got a goal to hit 100K subscribers. I don't care when. I just know I'm gonna put that grind to get it. And I really didn't want to make this video. I wanted my next video to be me passing my 200K because I'm like 6,000 off, which is cool. But I'll be that close to getting it, and I'll take a trade, and then I'll lose like 3K, and then then I'll make it back. It's like me losing a little bit of amount of money and making it right back when I'm right there. And I did it like probably be my 3rd or 4th time doing it. So I really didn't want to make this video, but I'm gonna make it for y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. This week, we made 4,200, but I don't even know. I gotta check to see if I was even profitable this week from what I started with. So I'm about to start the screen record now. 3, 2, 1, start it, and let's just take a look right now. So it says this week I was profitable 9,344. So dang, now that I think about it, I got cooked for 9K this week and made it back. I don't know, but like, just look at my history. So like, as y'all see, we lost 7,000, made it back, and then we did 400, then we did 300, then I got cooked for 1,000, then I got cooked for almost 2,000, then I made 22, then I made 87, then I made 1,400, then I made almost 3K. Like, y'all see what I'm talking about, right? So in this video alone, I'm gonna make a video about my Euro NZD trades. So let's just copy and paste my stop loss and my take profit on Euro NZD, and I'm gonna show y'all why I drove the trade and why I took it. All right, I'm back. So this is how my setup was. And I'm gonna show y'all why I got in this trade, low key. I think I got it on the 4-hour. Yeah, I got it on the 4-hour. Right, I had my trend line drawn. I seen a lower high, so I most definitely had a Fibonacci set up right here. So let me punch that in too. I remember it now. Boom. We had a fib right here, and then yeah. So as y'all can see, Euro NZD had mad seller potential, bro. Like, mad seller potential. Like, look at these candles right here. These seller candles right here, I was patiently waiting for a pullback, because I'm like, bro, these bars right here, those, like, oh my gosh, why am I talking so? These bars right here have had mad seller potential. So 9 times out of 10, I knew price was going to retrace to fill them orders back up. Some people called it a liquidity grab. I don't have a word to it. I just see it and I know what it does. So just remember that. So low key, I remember being at work and I was like up here. I was like somewhere around here. Yeah, this was my right entry. I don't know what trade locker is talking about, but I think I was in this trade around like Wednesday or Tuesday, and after I seen like these first two wicks off the 38, I was like, yeah, I'm about to get in. I don't care if it made structure yet. It's literally wicking off the 32, which means price does not want to break structure to the upside. So I got in around there, and then let me put my phone on do not disturb. My bad, y'all. After I seen price break the 38, how many times to the 38 or the 50 should I say? 1, 2, 3, 4 times hitting the 50 retracement level, and each candle is 4 hours a piece. Bro, I'm getting in. So after I seen this after I see this 4 rejection to the 50, I got in on sales, and then after that, y'all can clearly see it almost hit the 27. And remember how I told y'all I kept losing a little bit and then making it back? So like, some of those trades was me having profit and just taking my money because, bro, I'm trying to pass my stuff. I'm literally right there. So most of them I was just taking oh my gosh, most of them I was taking my wins piece by piece. And then I actually got in on 2 big lot sizes, as y'all can see, because I wanted to double down on them because I knew it was going down. It gave me all them rejections to the 50. And then as y'all can see, price was looking good, and then out of nowhere it made a morning star and it started reversing up, and then I ended up taking my money, to be honest with you. This looks so good. It had mad potential to hit my take profits and we be done, but for some reason price just reversed. Like, you can look at it on the daily. On the daily, look, we had a double top. If y'all don't know what a double top is, a double top basically means it's most likely to do the sales. And then on top of the double top, we had mad bearish engulfing on the daily, so it made me get in even more on that. So I basically had 2-7 standards going on, and it's like I basically just got in. I don't know what's going on with my brain today, y'all. I don't know what's going on. Maybe because the markets is closed, my brain's not working like how it does during the week. But for y'all who trade JPY pairs, bro, they retraced at the end of this week. So y'all who've been watching my videos, use what I've been teaching y'all on these JPY pairs, and I guarantee y'all will make some bread, bro. I'm not gonna show y'all my pairs, but I'm telling y'all, the JPY pairs are retracing. The CHF pairs are retracing. If y'all see that rejection to the sellers, get in. I guarantee my next video is gonna be me passing my challenge off of these pairs. So I'm turning my screen record off. Use what I've been teaching y'all. CHF pairs are retracing, JPY pairs are retracing. Use the Fibonacci, read the structure, and I guarantee y'all will make some cheese. All right, but I'm gonna try to edit this the best I can because I know I was sounding dumb. But yeah, that's how I made that what was it, 4,200. I've got 6,000 more left to go. So like I said, I'm just being patient and I'm just waiting for the right trade so I can be done. But without further ado, I do not like making long videos. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all, boys.